Good morning, grade 6. Happy Ramadan to you all. Hope you are having a good time and studying also. Today we are going to read a comprehension about tigers. We are going to learn information about tigers. Let's start. See what information we can get. What do tigers look like? Tigers are mammals. They are the biggest of the big cat family. Most tigers have orange fur with black stripes on their body. Some tigers have black or white fur with light brown stripes. The stripes help to camouflage the tigers when they are hunting for their prey. The markings on every tiger are different, a bit like human fingerprints. They have long legs to help them run fast and sharp claws to catch and kill their food. They also have a very long tail. Okay, now this is the basic information about the tigers. They have the stripes, the color of the stripes, and the stripes. The most fascinating thing is that there are so many tigers in this world, but none of them they have the same stripes. What does it say? The marking on every tiger are different, a bit like human fingerprints. Like we have our fingerprints and we all have different fingerprints, all the people in this world. So in the same way, all the tigers in this world, they have different stripes. None of them are the same. Let's continue. Where do tigers live? Tigers that live in the wild live in Asia. Some live in the cold parts of the north. Others live in the south where it is hotter. Tigers live in different types of forests. They like to live and hunt on their own and mark their territory by scratching marks on trees with their powerful claws. Sadly, tiger habitats are being destroyed and people hunt them for their fur. This means tigers are now endangered. Most are living in captivity in places like a zoo or wildlife sanctuaries to protect them. So in this page we learned that the tigers, they are now endangered because there are different reasons. Some people are hunting tigers for their fur, and some people are cutting down the trees to finish the forests, and the tigers, they are losing their habitats. So many people, they have taken tigers into captivity and they have kept them in the zoo or wildlife sanctuaries, but in other ways they are trying to protect their numbers so that they should not die. They are trying to give them the proper living habit and the proper living eating habit so that they can survive. What do tigers eat? Tigers are carnivores. They only eat meat. They like to hunt for food at night. They silently stalk their prey and then pounce, biting it with their strong, sharp teeth. Tigers eat rhinos, deer, cows, and horses, as well as other smaller animals. Now they eat any kind of animal, okay? Big or small, doesn't matter, but they just need to eat meat. Now there is an interesting fact also about tigers. Did you know when a tiger cub is 8 weeks old, it can go out hunting with its mother? Number 2, unlike other cats, tigers love water and are fantastic swimmers. Why it is written unlike other cats? Because we studied in the beginning in the first page that tigers belong to the cat family and cats don't love swimming or playing in the water. But tigers, on the other hand, they are fantastic swimmers and they love to stay in water as well. Let's move on to the questions and see how much you understood the story, what informations you can get. What do tigers have on their fur? Okay, I want a complete sentence. Number 2, complete the sentences. These are like fill in the blanks. The markings on every tiger are different, a bit like human dash. Tigers love water and are dash. Tigers are biggest of dash. Now this is not one word answer, but you have to complete the sentence from the story. So you have to go back to the story and finish the exercise. Let's move on to the next question. Where do tigers live in the wildlife? Take one answer. They are found in Africa, they are found in America, or they are found in Asia. Wildlife, where do they live? Number 2, what do tigers like to do that other big cats do not? Take one answer. They like to sit in the sun, they like to bathe, they like to swim, or they like to sleep. What the other cats don't like, but the tigers like to do. Number 3, what do tigers eat? Write down any 2 examples. There are different animals the tigers like to eat and they are mentioned in the story also. So just write the name of any 2 animals. Let's continue and finish the exercise. The next question is, why are most tigers living in captivity? Now this answer I already explained you, and you have to think about the answer, why the animals are why the most tigers are living in captivity nowadays. Number 2 is a writing activity. Read the text carefully and describe tigers in 3 sentences. Now you can use the information from the text and you can write them in your own sentences, in your own imagination. You can use adjectives to describe a tiger. Okay.